Hello everyone, welcome all. Today I will be going to discuss one simple Java program uh, which is provided here. So as we can see here in the output, this is just an equilateral triangle. So we will just observe this program, how many rows and columns we have to print. So I'll just check the rows first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 rows. As as you all know, so we generally used to initialize integer n equals to the total row numbers, and we'll again divide this triangle into two parts. I'll try to print structure, the half structure till here. So first this right angle triangle will print, and then we'll try to add the second part, which is this small triangle. So without wasting any time, we'll just start coding. As you all know, we'll need a outer for loop and inner for loop. So I'll just mention outer loop, which will print rows for us. We'll initialize this for loop with I equals to 1, and the condition will be I is less than equal to n. So we'll be getting 5 rows. Then I plus plus. Inside this for loop, we have to print these stars as well as these empty spaces. So to print this empty space, we will need one for loop, and to print these stars, we will need another for loop. So I'll just say inner loop, which will give us columns. So this for loop I'll initialize with j equal to 1, j less than equals to, we'll see. We need, suppose here if you observe the output till here, these are total 5 stars. And if we see here in first row, we need 4 spaces. So this loop should run till j is less than equal to 4. Then only it will print uh, 4 spaces for us. But how we can write this condition, like how we can convert this 4 in terms of n here. So if we write n minus 1, so we will be getting 4 here. And if we have to write in terms of n and I, then initially for first row our I will be 1. I'll just say I here. So we'll see how it works. As of now, I can say for first row, it will print 4 spaces because I is 1 and n is 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So this inner loop will run till 4 times. When I gets increased to 2, that time also 5 minus 2, 3. So yeah, this condition is uh, matching here. So we will get this 3, 2, 1, and 0. long. Um, we have to write something here. System dot out dot print. We just give space. This is done. I'll again mention this for loop is to print space. So print spaces. I'll say instead of inner loop, we need inner loops. So second loop, we need to print. We need for printing star. I'll just initialize the second loop. Before that, I'll write print stars. This second for loop, I'll initialize with int j equals to 1. As we have initialized here as well j and we are giving here as well j, it's fine because the boundary for this j is still here only. So we can reuse the same variable. Here I'll just say j less than equals to, and we have to check how many stars we need. So on first row we need 1 star. So first row we need 1 star. I'll check what is the row number here. So initially row number will be 1 if I give I here directly. So this will match our condition. We'll check when I will be 2. So we will be on second row. And here also it will come as 2. So this loop also will run twice and we'll get 2 stars printed. So this will work. I'll write system dot out dot print, and here we have to specify star. So this is all good. If we write system dot out dot print ln and we'll try running our code, we should get this output, the right angle triangle. You see, error might be we have missed the curly brace somewhere. So here it's closed. Okay, here we need one more. After this, we have written. So this will close here. After that, yeah, now I think it will work. So see, our half job is done. We just need to add this triangle from here. If you notice here, we don't want to print any star on the first line here. And from second line, we need 1. Third line, we need 2. On fourth line, we need 3. So you can say 4 minus 1, 2, or 2 minus 1, and 3 minus 1 likewise. So for that, I have to provide one more for loop. As we are writing on a row here itself, so we don't have to go to next line. Before only we have to write one for loop. So we will write for loop after this only. I'll say print star again. To avoid confusion, I'll just say second part. This will be our first part. Okay. So in second part, we have to again initialize one for loop. We'll take again same variable. j equals to 1 and less than, j is less than equals to. Here we'll see if we give this I. So for first row, j will run once as I value will be 1. If we just remove this equals to, so here this condition will fail. At j equals to 1, j is less than, so 1 is less than 1. So this will fail here. Whenever we are writing equals to, the loop will run till that number, whatever we have given. And if we are writing less than uh, here, it will not go. It will run the number minus 1 times. So we'll just increase this one j loop j variable. Again, we'll print system dot out dot print, and here we'll specify star. And after that, we will be on the next line. So we'll just try running this code. So initially int I, which will be denoting our row, will be 1. Once this is 1, the condition will be checked. 1 is less than equal to 5, which will be true. Then it will come inside this for loop. Here we'll write j equals to 1 initially. So here the condition will get checked. 1 is less than equal to 5, true. It will print space. So sorry, it's j is less than equal to n minus I. So 5 minus 1 means 4. So it will print the space till this condition is dissatisfied. So 4 times we will get spaces. After that, we will just move to next for loop as when j becomes 5, this condition will get uh, dissatisfied or false, and we will be moved to next for loop, which will print star for us. So here j equal to 1 and condition will be j less than equal to 1, we can say, for first row. So we will be printing star once. Second time j becomes 2, the condition will fail as our I is 1 initially. So here we'll get 1 star for first iteration. And once this star gets printed, we will be moved to second, third, third for loop, we can say. Here also we'll print star, but we'll check till when. So here condition is j is less than I. So j is 1 and I is 1 for first row. So condition will be failed here itself. And we will not print the star first time on first row. And then we will move to next line. And same if we go here for second iteration, I will become 2. I'll just write quickly 2 here. Then this inner for loop, which will give space, will run till 5 minus 2. So 3 times. I'll just say 2 here. And when it will run 3 times, we'll get 3 spaces in second line. And then in second for loop or second inner for loop, this will run till 2 times because our I is 2 now, and our condition is j is less than equal to 2. So we'll get 2 stars, as you can see here. After that, here, as you know, I equal to 2. So first time only this condition will be failed. Uh, and For second time, sorry, second first time condition will be true. Second time condition will be false. But as you have seen, when J was sorry, when I was one for first row, we have not print anything. That's why we didn't get any star here. So I'll run and check the output. Okay, we miss system. So yeah, we have got the triangle which was requested. So we'll try doing some minor change here. If we write equals to, we'll see what happens. So see, on the first line itself, we are getting one star and second line two stars. So likewise, so this is a, we can't say this as a complete triangle or complete equilateral triangle. That's why we just have to remove this equals to and this will be your output. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching the video and giving your precious time. Hope we'll meet in next video. Thanks.